right. So if you could give one piece of advice to brokers and 3PLs and those kind of looking at something that resembles long-term planning, what would it be?
Yeah, I'd say not to overreact to the news, right? I feel like there's a lot of, shock and awe, week after week, whether that's capacity regulation or trade war and what that could do to demand. I think, continuing to practice, things that build a stable flow for you and allow you to kind of operate, know your capacity. Those are going to be the things you can rely on and count on right now. And if things get a little tighter, a little softer as a result of what's going on, I think, focusing on how you adjust your business is a better use of your time. Like I said, despite everything we've seen in the volatility with imports, et cetera, we still have looked at pretty typical seasonal patterns, right? And so don't get distracted from, the news. Continue to focus on operation execution. And, I think that's still going to lead to success right now.
I think that's a very good point. Like just focus on what you can control and kind of mind your own. And then like that way you can just adapt. Because otherwise, if you sit here and look at like, oh, well, this is happening over here, this is happening over here, then you're just like running around with the chicken with your head cut off and you're not actually making any real progress.